Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to restart Apple Music subscription. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Apple Store and after that click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go to subscriptions. After that, go to Apple Music. And after that, as you can see, there is the renew button. You have just to click on it and click on subscribe. After that, it will ask you to enter your password of your Apple account. And just after that, you have to click confirm and your plan will be directly restarted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.